Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see how we can see guys. Already we have seen how we can use post API in Python and get API how we can use, then delete API how can use, that we have seen guys already. If you are not seen or if you are not visited that video till then, you guys please watch that video also. And today we'll see guys how we can update the means how we can use update API in our Python. Okay, so what we are doing is here we are taking one dummy API only, which is free API that only we are using, and in that we are updating the values. Okay, so we'll take one ID and on that ID only we'll change the data, means we will update the data. Okay, so same guys here also what we need to get, see guys, if you're doing any if I calling any APIs and all in your code, then guys request is very important guys. Okay, so I'm importing the request. Then next what I'm doing guys, next see guys, in delete also we have done one function, right? Same function in the sense like that function only we will use, but that is for update. Okay, so what I'm doing is here, yeah, I'm using one function that is def, then update underscore post. Okay, so here updation will happen guys. So see guys, for updating I want one ID, because on that ID only I am going to update. So one ID will need for me and one data will need, like, so for that I'm taking here one data which is new data which I want to update on this ID. So that I'm taking already here. Okay, then next what I will do guys, I will come means the next will come guys, here my URL will come. So the same URL I'm going to use guys, that for delete also I have used the same. So https JSON placeholder, oh whatever I can use, JSON placeholder dot db code dot com. Okay, here my posts are there. Then what guys, here I want to change my ID. So whatever ID I'll give here now, on that ID I want to update. So for that I have taken here ID guys. Then next what I will do, I will take the response of this URL. Something is missing here. Response. Okay, spelling. Oh. Double S I have taken it. Response. Okay, so guys here I'm taking the response. So response will take from request. Okay, request dot put. See guys, if you are updating we will use put, for delete we will use delete method, for post we will use post method, and for get we will use get method. Okay, so here I am using put method because I am updating the values, right? So I have to use put method only. So here put will come, and whatever the URL, on this URL I want to update, right? So the update URL will come, and here JSON data. Okay, so whatever data I want to change, that will be in JSON formatted. So new underscore data. Okay, so this is my URL. Here I'm getting the response in URL. Whatever the response I'm getting, that I'm taking from this request to this variable guys. Okay, then next what I will do guys, see guys, if my response is correct, so what I want to do, I want to print something else. So what I will do, if my response is correct, that is status code I will use here. This, oh my god, see guys, I'm missing the spelling here. Okay, response dot status code. See, 200 means it is successful guys. Remember, 200 status code means my response is successful. If my response is successful, sorry, if my response is successful, what I will do, I'll take one variable that is updated underscore post, and here what I will do is I'll take my JSON data in here only. Okay, so whatever the response I'm getting, if the response is successful, that data I'm moving this update underscore post. Then what I will do, I'll print here something for understanding purpose. So what I will print here, post updated successful, like that I will post updated successfully. Okay, so it is a, so what we will do guys, we'll print that what data is updating, that also I want, right? So what I will do here, I will print also what I want to print. See, I have to print this guys. So whatever the response I'm getting, that response I will get in print format here. So I'm printing that response is here. Fine. Then then see, if the response is not correct, then I have to do something, right? So I'm doing for that, guys. Else what we will do, will print fail also, why it is failed, or what is the reason for that. So fail to update post with id we will add, guys. Oh, oh, with id. So id is what? Post underscore id. Okay. Then we'll take your status code also. It will give the status code, the error status code for that. So here it is, dot status code, right? So see, guys, if anything error is there, it will come here, and if my response is successful, it will print this. Okay. Then next what we will do, guys, now our main function will come, that is, so on which id I want to update. So I will take, guys, first id only. You can take anything, guys, first, second. I will take, right now I'll take first. Then what new data I want to add, right? Here it is there, right? New data. So that one I'll take here. So here is my new data, and in this new data, see, guys, if what one thing, guys, this has some data, so I'll check that. So I have to take this. I'll check here, guys. Okay. So if I print here, see, guys, like this data is there. Okay. So I want to change on this data, first data, this id, title and body I want to change, guys. Okay. So here I have to take first id. So the name is what? It is user id, right? So I'll take user id. So user id will be 1. Then next is what, is title. So whatever the names are, the same name we need to give here, guys. If anything wrong, then it will give error. What I will add, guys, title I'll add mm, test api in python, like that. Okay. This is one, title is done. Then next body, here b is small. Okay. So body, and here what will come, guys? Data updated successfully. Okay. So okay, so see, guys, on first id I want to change user id, title and body. Okay, if you go here, see title, body and user id by counting, guys. Okay. So here I'm taking, this is done, guys. Now what I have to do, I have to call this function, right? So I will copy this here, and this post id I will pass here. So first my post id will come, then my new data will come here. Okay. So see, guys, how it is working, that I'll tell once again. So guys, this is the function. Okay, this is our function where we are updating the, or we are, where we are changing the values or updating the values. Okay. So this is my url. So here id is there, guys. So on this id means whenever I pass id and data here, that it will come here, this id and this data I'm passing from this function. Okay. Here we have called our function. It will come here, it will take the post id. On that post id, whatever the new data is there, that we will append, and that we will get in this response function. Okay. So here we will check the status code, guys. If my status code is 200, means if it is okay, then what we are doing, we are taking that json format, and that we are printing here, guys. Means here my response is success, my data is updated successfully, like that it will give us one result. Okay, so we will understand how our data is updated correctly like that. And suppose see if anything error is there in this api or in data, anything something is wrong is there, then what it will do, it will give one error guys, so that will come here. Okay, and this only guys, only here the important is this function. Okay, and this is the post id on which id we want to update, I want to update, and on which date and which data I want to update. Okay, that it is here. Fine. So now what we will do is, now we will run this and we'll see what will happen. What happened here? Okay, so here I will run this python app.py. So we'll check whether it is updating. Okay, see guys, title it is updated, test type in python, and data is updated, data updated successfully. You can see here it was this, like the title is something different only and body is also different, but here we are updated with this. Suppose if I want to change here to, then I will add here 2 second, so it will go with 2. So we'll check here. See, here it is user id 2. Okay, so now we will run this. So it is changed on id 2 guys, you can see here it is on id 2, this data has been updated, and this is on id 1, this. Okay, so like this what you will do guys, you can update the data in your code. Okay, so this is the thing guys. Suppose if you are not got anything in this in code, and it is very simple guys, you will get, suppose if you have any knowledge of python, then easily you will understand this how it is working and all. Okay, and suppose if you have any question and queries guys, then please comment in comment box. So this is about guys how we can update the data in our api. Okay, so if you have any question guys, please comment, and if you are liking my videos, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, already I have done videos regarding get, post and delete api, so watch that also. Okay, and thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.